Today, what I'm gonna tell you is just gonna be massive. It's gonna be so much exciting that you are gonna be loving it. We're gonna be talking about how to make music with artificial intelligence for YouTube video. So, process that I have told you is to go onto your channel and then you need to go onto audio library where you get different options. Different options like on audio library, the option that you get is like when we go on to search, we can take different options like track title, genre, mood, artist name, duration, attribution not required, attribution required, and all that. So what we have done is that we have gone to mood and then we have given calm as a music or dramatic or inspirational, romantic, whatever the topic or niche that you have chosen, you have gone to that. For example, whenever we go on to calm, we have applied and then we have downloaded all of these ones. For example, if I play this one up, drifting at 432 hertz. So we're gonna hear that it's a 23 minutes video and you can easily hear it. Okay, so if I go into this section, okay, so we can simply hear it, and then what we have done is that we have simply downloaded it from this place. So you can see that download audio track and we have downloaded it that. Okay, now what I'm going to tell you is that the next thing is we are going to be talking about how to use music. That is, you don't have to show your face or you don't need to do voiceover. So the problem that has come sometimes for some people is that the channels are not getting monetized and it's a problem for them. But today the thing that I'm going to tell you, it will be a game changing for you, because there are people who want to monetize these simple meditation music channels. Whenever we write meditation music up here, let me write it again, meditation music, then you can see that it's there as 432 hertz that we just got few minutes ago. Now you can do this thing 432 hertz and you can use it as an tag, and you can simply write the channel. Now we can see this meditation music that are being played. You see, this is the biggest channel that we all know, that is Yellow Brick Cinema. It's a relaxing music channel, and here are also meditation and healing, soothing relaxation, daily divine, soothing, smooth thing, okay, new meditation music, and you can see Tim Janice, soothing relaxation, meditation and healing, the soul of wind, and we can see we can go on and on and on. But the problem that comes to us is that when everyone uses all these ones, there is nothing original. Sometimes it happens on YouTube, but don't worry about it. I'm going to show you a strategy that you can use. The software that we are going to use today is known as soundraw.io. It's soundraw.io. It's soundraw.io. Okay, so you can see whenever you come to the website, you can see Soundraw. The first thing you see, create music, Adobe plugin, licenses, pricing, tutorial, FAQ, and it's the language, and you can sign in or sign up for free. Now, I'm not an affiliate, so I'm not going to give you any affiliate link right now. It's just for you for free. Okay, so you can sign up for free, and I'm gonna, if you want, I can give you the link of the website onto the description below. Now, whenever we can see the freely customized, high quality, royalty-free music. So what's happening is that you can create your own royalty-free music. That is, you don't need to give credit to anyone, and it will be purely original of yours. That is, the exclusive music that you're gonna make will be just of yours, nobody else. For example, what happens whenever you go onto Fiverr, if you get a person to make a music for you, you might get a music that he has sold to hundreds and thousands of people. Okay, so what's happening is that there has been a similar, and YouTube algorithm is super smart to understand that. So what happens is that you don't get any original music, but you can get here high quality royalty free music that you can do. For example, Soundraw is a music generator for creators. So you can see it is not a music licensing platform. That is, it's pre-made and you're just buying it. No, nothing like that. It's a music generator that you generate your own music, and see, you can select the type of music you want, or the genre, or the instruments, or mood, or the length of the music. For example, you can do it for 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 minutes, and you can do it the way you want. So what happens is that it is simply powered by artificial intelligence that generate beautiful songs for you, and you can simply start for free, or you can download for free. You can see Adobe Premiere, After Effects, and you can go on down up here, and you can see that on Learn More, you can see from searching music to creating music. So you can generate unlimited songs, and you can use it on YouTube and other social media platforms. You can even use it on TV and radio commercials if you want. You can bookmark your songs. You can use it on corporate videos. You can use it on broadcast programs and movies. You can download up to 50 songs per day. That is, you can download up to 50 songs per day. Can you understand it? It's so insane, right? And I'm going to show you a trick that you can use so that you can actually download the whole thing. You can download the whole thing in free, but I'm going to give you the option that you should always use the licensing, because it's the right way. Now, web ads and games and apps. Okay, so here you can see the TechCrunch is also there that is being using. Now here we come to the main part. Now here we get video theme, mood, length, and detail. We can see the music list, keep and download library. And when we come to vlog, talk, background music, happy, emotional, corporate advertisement, exciting, relaxing games, jingles that is just coming soon, peaceful and dramatic. So here you get so many options. You get almost 9 to 12 options, more than 10 options. Now, if we choose relaxing music, we can go on to relaxing, and then we just need to choose something. We need to choose the video theme, the mood, and here we can see length. Okay, so here you can see the video theme is different. That we can see the mood, and we can choose the length. We can choose length as in from 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, let's go on to 5 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna get 5 minutes of music. So now we can go on to some detailings because it's gonna be customized especially for you. Now whenever we go on to select tempo, we can see that the options that are there, and we are gonna keep it like this. So let's assume we are gonna use create slow and normal, fast. Here we go, and we can see the select of piano, brass, synthesizer, and strings, and electric guitar, whistle, voice. For other options, that is whistle is also there. We can choose the genre as in acoustic, orchestra, hip hop. We can see techno, corporate, or rock, EDM, disco, funk, techno, pop, cinematic, electro. So we don't need to do anything. See, the first step was to click on here. It was the first step. So we simply, this is the first click. The second click we're going to do is create music. Okay, see, that's all. That's all. Yes, that's all. You just need to wait, and you can see it's simply creating. Artificial intelligence is creating music especially for you. So now you don't need to pay your music producers hundreds and thousands of dollars to make the videos. For example, you don't have to worry about the thing. As in, you can see here we have got our music. Now if you want to give it much more detailing, first of all, you have got especially customized music for you. Now you have got the option to make your own music. Like you can simply customize it more, even for according to your own taste. That is, you can actually improvise all the beats that you have. It's going to be so simple, it's going to be so easy. Okay, but don't forget to subscribe because you're going to miss all of these simple strategies that I'm going to tell you. Now let's go and let's see all the music. Let's go with the first one or the second one. Let's hear the emotional piano. Okay, it's 4 minutes 59 seconds. Wow. Right. Okay. Ooh, that's awesome. Right. It's all artificial intelligence. That's coming. Yes. Wow. Just perfect. Now what you need to do is you simply need to edit this music. Now whenever you think of editing this music, you just simply can go up here. Like you have all the options that how this music is being made. Now you are getting how many? See, now you can see that almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we can see 15 musics, that option that you have got. Not just that, now we have got this whole plate. We have got the whole thing. For example, you can tweak everything. For example, you click on this, and it's going to be off. And then you click on this, it's going to be off, and you can change, you can revolve, you can do whatever the things that you want. Okay, so now what's happening is very simple. You can go on to this thing. You can see the backing, the bass, the drum, the fill, and you can then use play from here. You can go on to the volume. You can choose the volume, that how much the backing will be, how much the backing 2 will be, how much the bass will be, how much the drum will be. I don't know anything about making music. Okay, I just don't know anything. I'm just a complete beginner. But if I can understand, you can understand, then I think the software is worth it. Okay, so you can see the key 1, 2, 3. You can see the instruments up here, and you can see the piano 1, 2, 3. That is, you can make whatever you want. If we apply piano 1, and then we just apply, if we do string 52, then string 52, string bass 2, and then drum 3, it's a unique music. So from this, you're getting 2 to 3 type of music. For example, if you alter all these things, you improvise all of that, you tweak all of that, from 15 musics, you can actually make almost from this one thing, you can make about 10 music easily, which will be unique in its own way. That is, all the music will be really different from each other. That is, for 15 music, you can actually make 150 music and more than that. You can make more than that. For example, from this, if you make 20 music, okay, if you make 20 music from it, and you have got 15 music from each track, if you make 15 to 20, let's assume you make 20 different music, and you get 20 different music options, and you have got total 15 type of tracks, and then you're getting almost 300 tracks. That is, for example, it's almost a year of tracks. If you understand this thing, I think you can really get the thing that how much easier it will be, and you don't need to pay anything for it. Just get this thing that for 1 whole year of music, you're getting in just a couple of minutes. Right, so in a couple of minutes, with simple 2 to 3 clicks, you're getting almost 1 year of music. Isn't that great? Now let's understand that how you can download it. To download the whole thing, for example, if we use chill pop, okay, so we can use chill pop, and if we use this chill pop, we can just simply need to play, and then you need to go on to this. It's known as OBS Studio. It's a free thing. Okay, even the Windows people, Mac people, or the Linux people, yes, for the Linux people also, it's an open software. It's an open broadcaster software that you can use, and it's an open source software. See, you can see it's a free software, and it's an open source software for video recording and live streaming. Okay, so you can use this one, and you can simply download it, and you can go onto YouTube, and you can see how you can actually use these things. It's pretty simple, and you can record the internal sound, and you can use YouTube. You can use the OBS for YouTube streaming, for Twitch streaming, for Facebook, and there are big people like gaming people are there who are using this. There are different streamers, not just gaming streamers, but for different streamers who are actually doing all these awesome streams. They are using it's completely free for you, and you can record the internal sound of yours, and then you can use it. But the best option will be to go on the pricing, and you can see it's really inexpensive. So for the annual plan, it's almost 17 cents, if almost $16.60, almost $17, you can say, including the tax. So you are getting unlimited songs, right? You can choose whatever songs you want. For example, if we understand that it's almost like $17, right? And if we calculate up here that $17 multiplied by 12 is how much, then we are easily going to get that whenever we multiply $17 with 12, we are getting almost $204. That is almost $200. And if you can make $200, if you can get unlimited songs for a year, I think it's worth it, and you don't want to get into trouble, right? So I think it's the best option that you can actually use. That you can also do different options. Like here are different options that you can use. You can change the genre, you can change the mood, you can see the emotional thing, peaceful. Here is the jingle that is coming for games. You can do for vlogging. You can make not just one channel but multiple channels, and you can actually use it on different channels. For example, you are getting the whole opportunity to use it. Okay, so here you can see that all the options. For example, if we go on to the FAQ, and you can see what is SoundDraw. So SoundDraw is an innovative composition tool for creators. You can create music just for your content easily. Okay, so why is SoundDraw great for video creators? You can create music just by selecting the theme, mode, genre that matches your video, and that's it. You can customize the structure. That is, there are other softwares like Epidemic and all that where you get pre-made, thus pre-made music. It's true. It's very awesome. I know that Epidemic is a very, very good software, but you don't get something really customized of yours. That is your own music. You don't get that, and the thing that happens is that whenever you're paying that money, you're not getting something that's original of yours. The whole originality stays with you whenever you use AI software like this. I hope that you have learned this, and today we have talked about how to make music with AI for YouTube videos. It was a great session having you. I hope that you have understood and got a great insight and a great depth and understanding about the whole thing. So I hope that you have got a great valuable information from it. See you again on another video.